want to talk to you about a trip that I recently took to Cody, Wyoming. I got to meet some great contractors out there who are advocates for our product and are doing some really great things and believe in what Quality Edge is doing. I got to see some houses with our double 4, our board and batten in the midnight blue, which looked beautiful, 3,000 square foot home that had all Vesta on it, a beautiful mix of wood grains and solid colors. I also got to have some fun and go to the rodeo, ride a mechanical bull, do the Cody, Wyoming things. But I want to talk about a project that I got to see out there, the Wyoming Game Fish Department. Their mission is to conserve the fish and wildlife, these abundant resources that Cody, Wyoming has for not only today, but also thinking 50 years in the future. They want to make sure it's there, it's protected, and that future generations can enjoy what they have today. The goal is to build a new building that represents its mission. And so some architects ended up speccing Quality Edge, a mix of board and batten, our TruCedar traditional profiles, and Vesta. And it turned out to be a beautiful project. You can see from these photos that it's a stunning project. They had a beautiful mix of the mountains. It's right next to Yellowstone, so you have a nice mix of our browns and wood grains to really blend into nature. And the best part about it is everything that is put on there is built to last. Cody, Wyoming has varying degrees of temperature out there. So you need a product that not only looks beautiful, but can also withstand Mother Nature out there. It gets really cold, it can get pretty hot out there in the summer. So they need a product that looks great, stands up to nature, and also when they decide to redo it and fix it up, they can recycle all the material, all that cladding on the outside, which is really incredible. If you're out in the area, you should really go check out the building. If you're in need of a product that looks beautiful and is gonna last a lifetime, come see us.